Okay, welcome back to Boosted Third Gen. We got a package in today. We're gonna do some upgrades to the fuel system on our car, and we have a stock tank in our third gen Camaro. So Motion Raceworks makes attachment so you can take a 3-inch hole saw and drill a hole in your tank and put this device in. And we bought it through 269 Motorsports. They're in Hidden Valley Trails, Niles, Michigan. If I said that right. So we're gonna open it. I already took a knife and opened it. So they gave you a little card, gave you a sticker, 269 Motorsports, you know, and they give you a koozies. Nice koozie. For the hot days you want to keep your cold drink. So I got some this is a 12 AN feed line for your, because I plan on upgrading to a Aeromotive 5 gallon a minute pump, and it requires a 12.
Show it.
So we got the fitting for it. Okay, we got two of those. It was only $9.99 for shipping for all this. So they to Alaska. So and that is a good deal. And see, this is, let me open it up. So this is the Motion Raceworks. It's for adapting a rear sump to a stock tank. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get my knife out. And everything I've used with Motion Raceworks is top notch. And so you take this, pause it. So I had to go get a tool, but the way this is designed, so it is, I don't know what size Allen wrench is. It's got one bolt. You unscrew that bolt like that.
Turn around and show it.
So one bolt like that. And so look at it, can you see? It's got a 12 in, so, and it's got an O-ring right here to help seal. See, right here is an O-ring on the bolt. And so this, you take a 3-inch hole saw, and this goes up in the tank. You drill a hole in the bottom of your tank, and this goes up, and then this right here goes on top like that. And then this goes in. You know, you put this inside the tank, this part inside the tank, and just screw that together and tighten it up, and it seals the tank. And now, after you seal it, you tighten it up, it's a pretty sturdy piece. You tighten it up and it seals. Now you got fuel into here on the bottom, and you put this at the back of the tank, and you take your 12 in O-ring, you lube it up, and this screws into here, so you got plenty of fuel, you know. And if you need to drain your tank, you know, all you gotta do is pull this fitting off and your tank's drained. So very good, nice piece. Wish they would come with little instructions. 12 under fuel tank, fuel sump. So it's made in the USA too. So very nice piece. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe. And
Like.
thank you for watching.
Like.
And please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.